got something special here. Something that is alive, and we gotta open it immediately. I cannot wait. There could be something exciting. Hey, buddy, we're gonna do something good here. All right, I got my knife here. How you doing? All right, the dog cannot wait to see what is inside, just like this human. Oh boy, oh boy. Painted lady butterflies. What do we got here? We have larvae. 10 larvae. Oh, this feels really warm. It's one of those heating pads that you put in your mittens to keep your hands warm. It's a gigantic one. All right, we got some packing peanuts. Oh, I see something. I see something. Oh my goodness. We have some larvae there. It looks like we have 6 potential butterflies. Oh my gosh, Lewis, look at this. Look at this. Oh, he is pretty excited about it. Look at that tail wagging. Oh man. All right, what else do we have in here? Oh my goodness. We got another one. We have another one. Oh my gosh. Oh man. And we got 6 more in here. We're only supposed to have 10, but we got 2 extra ones. Oh my goodness. All right, is there anything else in here? We just got a lot of packing peanuts. Probably don't want to eat those though. All right. So I'm going to check out the directions to see what else we have in store for the next couple days, and then I will be coming back with some information and also showing you guys what's going on with the butterfly larva in a couple days. I can't wait to see you guys soon, first grade. This is really exciting news. It's going to be really fun checking out the larva. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.